son that I helped to grow. Okay, let's even take it from here. Show me, you what was why I toro jenie now, Eniola. I toro jenie, o toro jedi level to wayeni. I could remember Eniola, you are a beggar. A lot of people that knows you, one we be attache lo man she anybody that was successful, lo man lon lemo. It's because I dignify myself. Nobody will know. Me okay, she social media person. Me okay, I don't come on social media slay. I don't slay. I don't operate in that level. The only person I want to mingle with or interact with or come about any somebody you have to be very successful. Attain the stage you can. Only like come and leverage lórí what to bá ti ṣe dáadáa ní ayé. Funke tó ń tẹ̀lé kiri lọ́jọ́ tèmi tó ń jọ ń ṣe fídíò tó jọ ń ṣe kò ṣe pé yẹn náà mọ̀ wá boy lady yẹn wà matured ó kàn feel ẹ̀ ni. So many times Eniola ti wo àwọn ìwà tó yẹ kí lady yẹn má fi bá sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ táyé má fi parẹ́ ìyẹn kàn fi mú cruise lórí social media ni because it's a game of number these days. It's a game of number. Don't come and drag me into something tí mi already àti ṣe. Don't drag me. I am too busy. I'm too serious for drama. I don't do drama. I don't like drama. Don't put me into drama. Don't. Why will you come to my space? You knew that I was not coming for you. You knew that I was on my own. You know that, in fact, at the point, people say why. If in case anybody don't know, we don't teach you. Ẹlòmíì lè rí mi kó máa wò wípé o Laide ò kí mi kì í ṣe pé mi ò kí wọn mi lè wojú èèyàn mi ò kí lè wo èèyàn eyeball to eyeball. So ó máa dàbí ẹni wípé so ti bá dùn mo kọ máa èèyàn lè rò pé mo rí òun bọ̀ mi ò rí yàn so mo máa ń tijú. So mo àná yẹn mi ò tètè dé but I got there late. I got there in fact very late. Well, I didn't do any red carpet. Because I just wanted to make sure, I just want to honor that lady. Excuse me. Let me just put on this. I just wanted to honor Eniola. I just wanted to honor. Why? Please, anybody, please don't call me. I just wanted to honor Eniola Jao and move. You kept coming at me. You kept coming to my space. I don't know why. And at a point, you kept saying, Koki shore me. Why are you telling the whole world? Why are you saying to camera, Koki shore me? My recording me and say, Koki shore me. It was getting too embarrassing. Okay, she me ever saw anybody? She me ever wa buy? She me ever saw anywhere? Did I ever react? Okay, with everything you have done to me, with all your bullying. With everything. And you're like, did I ever be a alone now? When you enter my DM to call me animal. And you're like, I did not even post it. That is almost 2 years now that you have done that. You have been, stop bullying. A man will anything, because you just feel like I will not respond anyway. Then your whole life, you are fake. You are too fake. Everything about you is fake. And you always need public validation. You will snap video or you will snap photo. You will edit it. Surgery. You will be wearing stuff just to look that part. To look so smart and beautiful. And you're like, your nakedness is horrible. That is one of your, I figure that is one of your problem with me. I didn't do no surgery. I did not wear makeup. Nobody that sees me real life. Thomas, if you see me real life, you just want to touch me. I'm that clean. I am that clean. You have been one-on-one. And like this thing started with you. Oti bere madness here. You see anything suffering with me? Kosinu lori e. Any epato to bu. Celebrate here. There is something about you. No matter what, in fact, when someone is even trying to push their jobs, you people, you know the kind of people you want to support. Thank you so much for the. Thank you so much. You know the people you want to support. You know the people you want to like their pages. You know the people you want to. But Etimani predetermined mind that no matter what you do, we will not support you. So think about the first category here. Mama, I'm not a social media person. It is not a crime. It is not a crime that I didn't grow up like that. I find it difficult to be snapping pictures, posting pictures every time, dressing up, slaying on social media every now and then for validation or for followership. The fact that I'm not in that your space, don't bring me down. Okay, Eddie, is it reasonable for someone of that your age? In your life, you are 45 years old. You are 45 years old. At 45, show ya were ni. At 45, show bunu ni, show ponu ni. The only thing to mo se ni wípé wa ma troll èyàn, wa ma funyan ni body iti, wa ma lo didi ma person ojo to ba kọ́kọ́ ṣe. This madness started 3 years ago. When make so that everybody can understand my point and the cutoff and why we are here today. Eniola Bamos is somebody that I have known for 25 years. It is not somebody but it's not 2 years, it's not 3 years. Over 20 years. And the only problem with you is that the moment tobacco law to lost sense we pay out abi eni yi abi to ko lost sense o ko need the success kékeré orí mama fue are mama gbon wa ma logo even this surgery to ṣe yi. Don't forget that you have once told me that ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà obese en gbádùn àṣẹ ko tẹ́ en gbádùn re ìgbà tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ parí surgery yìí náà ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ó ṣe bí wèrè ó ṣe bí ẹni tó rí ẹ̀ ti yí tó ẹni tó rí ẹ̀ ti kú kí ló tó ṣe ìgbà tí wọ́n kó ìfun ẹ kúrò ńbẹ̀ ṣé wọ́n kó brain yẹn náà mọ́ ni because ó ti ṣe bí ẹ tó ti kó ìfun ẹ wọ́n ti kó intestine ẹ wọ́n ti kó intestine yẹn kúrò wọ́n ti wá kó ṣé wọ́n kó ọpọlọ ẹ mọ́ náà ni ṣé ó ti ya wèrè ni ṣé ó ti ya wèrè ni Eniola are you mad or something? Coming after èèyàn tó ṣe tí ò rí tí èrò every time. Thank you so much. Coming after èèyàn tí ò ṣe. I don't have it. When you came into my DM and called me animal, Eniola, you call me animal. Back in the days, in the early year 2000, with my own hard-earned money, I wanted to make a movie featuring Femi Adebayo. Myself and other actors, we needed a female lead. Thomas Sheyawe to compete with me that time. I was the one solely to cast here. When I cast you for that role, Eniola, you were ugly and fat, very obese. Acting yen gan o se n polish nígbà tó ṣe ń dàgbà ẹni charisma ẹ ò tí gbé acting yen gbà yẹn. I was the one tí mo sọ pé ìwọ ló gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe soon. Movie yẹn, go and check Adùn Ewúro. Bitter leaf or something. Yeah, bitter leaf. Adùn Ewúro was your major first film. People market that time marketers ló man dictate because my favorite they will not sell that movie. Marketers were telling me that why do you want to use Eniola Bamos? Number one, ugly. Number two, she cannot act. I'm not denying the fact that you act in seeing you because you're about for over 20 years. Okay. So I'm not denying the fact that I don't really watch movies like that, but let it improve. But that time you were horrible. You don't look good. I gave you that platform, Eniola. You played that major role and people loved you. You played Femi Adebayo's housewife, no playing that yen. And I will not even lie. I was okay, it was okay. After to she movie yen ton lawon se realize wípé so lady wule bantu yi so ó ti ẹ lè ṣe normal role, fine role. tí mi ò bá fún ẹ ní platform yẹn Eniola, I'm repeating, tí mi ò bá fiesta movie mi Adùn Ewúro ń gbà yẹn tó jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn notice ẹ wípé òun exist, your friend Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé tó ti sọ the thing God lọ́jọ́ tèmi kò ní patronize ẹ, kò ní máa pè é sí movie. Èèyàn kan ló ṣiṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ó rí ẹ nígbà tí mo ti help career, tí mo ti help life ẹ ni. Má fi mi ta yín, má jẹ́ kó jẹ́ mi ló máa gbé sórí àtẹ, má jẹ́ kó jẹ́ èmi Laide Bakare ní ìwọ Eniola máa sọ fún in public, ló ń fún ní public embarrassment. You saw all these party bloggers bó ṣe pọ̀ tó, they were on you, camera was on you, light was on you, and you were telling them, you were saying, shut that camera, she's not my friend. Why are you saying that? You want to watch it, want to watch it space in me, call him, watch it. In fact, about me, the call me, see major party, me, party thing happen. No, I was not there. I was one side bit of the cake, see. That was where I stood. Let me call Ati Shakira Tajolo. La do control si be la kon sọ̀rọ̀. Mo je lórí dúró mo ko de rọra mi mo kan, you know, because I'm a very shy person. So mo kan rọra mi lórí dúró yẹn ni. Anybody tell ojú wa bá ṣe mẹ́rin, ma lọ ken tó bá yẹ kí n lọ bá lórí ìjókòó, ma lọ bá wọn lórí ìjókòó. Eniola mi ò wá bá ẹ. Ó dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní wá sí space yẹn níbi tí mo wà yẹn just because you want to take a picture perfect images to cover that your ó ṣe bó sọpọ̀ ti sexy ó ti fine, ṣe bikini shoot, ṣé o lè ṣe bikini photo shoot, ìdí ẹ ò dá, nakedness ẹ ò dá, your nakedness is whack, is kò ṣe é rí. Mo yin àwọn ọkùnrin tó ń get down pẹ̀lú ẹ, mo yin wọn, that is even tó bá wà tó ní pé if not kí ló dé tó bitter tó yẹn towards me, why? You what you did was to embarrass me publicly, because that reaction to anybody, that reaction, yeah, it feels like it will feel like I'm the problem. Why would you give me this kind of image? I'm never like this. It was you coming after me. And I all there really me o sọ̀rọ̀, o ṣe la kọ́kọ́ mi o sọ̀rọ̀, o ṣe lẹ́kejì mi o sọ̀rọ̀. Ìgbà tó wá di wípé o wá sọ pé don't record me with her, she's not my friend. Who the F are you? Tí mo fẹ́ bá jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́. Ṣé mo sọ pé mi máa ń ṣọ̀rẹ́ ni? Sorry, o mọ̀ mí now. Anybody má mọ̀ mí láyé Eniola o mọ̀ mí pa. Nǹkan tó lè ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe yìí ni wípé o mọ̀ wípé Laide ò ní liver àti ever ton camera ko make video. Oh, you know me, Cherry. Ever, this will be the first time I don't do it. Oti mo so confirm. What kilo gain? Kilo fe gain? Come pull you down. You slide into my DM. You came into my DM. You started just because that was the time we met in Abuja in the program and photograph was taken. I posted a photograph of me and you because that was during my movie launch, and I have a solo performance. I will be the only one on set. Solo performance, acting as a musician, acting as dancer, acting as a poet, acting as this, acting as narrator. I'm a thespian. So it means she's solo performance. Because I realized that a lot of people saw the picture you posted, you knew it was not bad. Yeah, I wasn't in a rehearsal. More phone, no slow motor, phone me. You claim you have been calling me that I should put down photo. I didn't see me or record but me. I want to put it up because if don't put it down, you abuse the hell out of you. You insulted. Rather, you insulted the hell out of me. I want to ti pọ̀jù Eniola tí mi ò bá sọ̀rọ̀ ní year yẹn, tí mi ò bá sọ̀rọ̀ ní time yẹn. Okay, what's the deal me? Okay, Eniola, I don't brag. I made you. Let me say the way it is. I made you. If I didn't give you that platform that year, nobody wants you in that movie. Talkless, because I completely draw. It was just because I kind of love your sense of humor. In fact, to me, If I'm to láti bẹ̀rẹ̀, I would say I'd rather be a comedian. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé part yẹn ló lọ ni, in fact you'll be far better than a lot.
Ẹ má lọ máa lo tablet tó máa fọ́ yín lórí, tó máa jẹ́ kí iṣan ro yín. Ohun tẹ́ nílò rẹ̀, ohun táwọn bàbá wa ti lò láti ìgbà ìwáṣẹ̀. Àgúnmu máa power lélẹ́yìí. Eléyìí ni àgbo jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí. Gbogbo èyí tí jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí bá ń ṣe, ẹ máa sóòkè ẹ̀ sómi ni. Jẹ̀dí ò máa kọ̀wé o, jẹ̀dí ò mọ student. Gbogbo jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí bọ́dì yín yẹn, ẹ push it out. Bákan náà dẹ̀ ni àgúnmu wà. Àgúnmu ó ṣe kí ni? Ó wà available. Mo fẹ́ gbé nǹkan síta ni. Mo fẹ́ polówó ẹ̀ fún yín. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi share ètò yìí. Àgúnmu tẹ́ máa lò ajẹ́bí idán. Ẹlòmíì jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí ló pa lóko. Jẹ̀dí ni ò jẹ́ kó lè ṣe dáadáa. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó bá jẹ́ jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí ló pa yín lóko. Ẹ pè mí kí n fún yín ní phone number iléeṣẹ́ TL tí wọ́n ṣe àwọn egbògi yìí. Kẹgbẹlura kí àlàáfíà kó tó yín láyọ̀. Kí gbogbo jẹ̀díjẹ̀dí yẹn kó di ohun ìgbàgbé. Kẹ́ ṣe kíni kẹ́ gbádùn ara yín. Kọ́ má fi yín ṣàkọmọ́, kọ́ má gbóúnjẹ alẹ́ yín fólógbò jẹ. Obìnrin lò, ọkùnrin lò, gbogbo ẹ̀yin dáàdì tẹ́ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀yìn, tẹ́ ń wa trailer, tẹ́ ń ṣiṣẹ́ ọlọ́dẹ, tẹ́ ń ṣe oríṣiríṣi àwọn iṣẹ́ líle bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Àgbo tẹ́lẹ̀ ló lè iṣẹ́ TL wà. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ní diabetes, 2 pack of oògùn diabetes yẹn lẹ máa lò, not 1. Àlàáfíà bá dé ẹ̀ bá gbúrú ẹ̀ mọ̀ bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. Bákan náà gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ra spiritual items. Òun ni àwọn lọ́fíńdà Laide K ló ń ta gbogbo àwọn eléyìí. Ọmọ ìyá sẹ̀lẹ̀. Òun ni ẹ fẹ́ ra àwọn spiritual items, àwọn lọ́fíńdà eléyìí báyìí sí. El Biraka break eli lele edidi. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ní the spiritual items, kini náà wà. Ní wọ́n ti fi yẹn sí bí báyìí. Miss Paris náà wà available. So ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ àwọn spiritual items, ajẹ́bí idán, confirm 1. Ẹ pè Laide K Ìfẹ́ Olúwa show. Ẹ̀yin wá nídìí àwọn ọṣẹ àánú, ọṣẹ ìṣẹ́gun, ọṣẹ àṣeyọrí. Ṣẹ́rí ọṣẹ tẹ́ wò lọ́wọ́ mi, dánwò lóbì yọ̀kẹ́rẹ́, ẹ kò máa fi fọ orí yín ni, àṣeyọrí ni. Tẹ́ bá ṣe fi fọ orí yín báyìí, ẹ máa sọ tẹ́ bá fẹ́. Ọṣẹ àṣeyọrí orí nìkan lẹ máa fi fọ. Ẹ nídà ti fi wẹ̀, ẹ kò máa fi wẹ̀ orí ẹlẹ́dàá yín nìkan. Kẹ́dẹ̀ sọ tẹ́ bá fẹ́, kẹ́bẹ́lẹ́dàá yín sọ. Ó gbọ́ nìyẹn, àṣẹ́gun no going back. Bákan náà ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá nídìí ọṣẹ ìyọnú. Ẹ̀yin kò rí pàwọn yòókù máa ń dédé bá yín jà, oríṣiríṣi nǹkan burúkú kò ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín. Ẹ wá nídìí àwọn ọṣẹ ìyọnú, ọṣẹ ìṣẹ́gun, ọṣẹ túdé lóríṣiríṣi. Ọṣẹ ẹ̀bẹ̀ àwọn àgbà lóríṣiríṣi. Ẹ contact Laide K Ìfẹ́ Olúwa show. Ó pọ̀ yẹ́yẹ́, ó wà níbí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe fẹ́ sí ni. All my spiritual items products, they are very active. Trust me. Trust me. Ọmọ ìyá sẹ̀lẹ̀ ló ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Òun ni ọṣẹ ìṣẹ́gun, ọṣẹ àánú, ọṣẹ awẹ́bíwẹ́ ìpèdànù. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti lọ forí kó oríṣiríṣi, àbẹ́ máa forí kó jàǹkárí wọ̀, àbẹ́ máa ń láwọn àlá burúkú. Ẹ pè mí, mo kàn kó àwọn samples síbí báyìí ní kí lè máa display ẹ̀ fún yín. Tó bá dẹ̀ wá tún wá jẹ́ ọṣẹ àánú náà lẹ tún wá fẹ́. Ìbùkún, ọṣẹ àánú, kówó máa wọlé, cool money. Kó máa ṣe kíni kó máa wọlé fún yín. Ọṣẹ àti pẹ́fù lẹ̀ ń wò lọ́wọ́ mi. Fún ọṣẹ àánú. Kéèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ràánú gbà. Ẹ ń tajà, ọjà yóò múùfù dáadáa. Ẹ pè mí kí n fún yín nìkan tẹ́ máa lò. Òun ni àwọn ọṣẹ àánú yẹn wà ní oríṣiríṣi. Ọṣẹ àánú wà, ọṣẹ awègúnwé ìpèdànù. Ó wà ọṣẹ ìbùkún, ọṣẹ aṣínà àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Gbogbo ẹ̀ la ní. Tó bá tún wá jẹ́ àwọn ẹjọ́ bá mi pín ètò yẹn ní dààmú. Ẹ mọ̀ pé mi ò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ display àwọn spiritual items yìí. Tó bá tún wá jẹ́ pé àwọn òróró àánú, òróró ìṣẹ́gun. This one is for àánú. This one is for victory, ìṣẹ́gun. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá nídìí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Àbẹ́yìn jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé tí ẹ bá lo iṣẹ́ ò kí ń pìkì lára yín. Ẹ pè mí kí n fún yín ní course breaker tẹ́ máa lò. Iṣẹ́ máa pìkì lára yín. Ẹlòmíì kò síṣẹ́ tẹ́ lè ṣe fún báyìí, kò ní ṣiṣẹ́ lára ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yàn tó bá jẹ́rú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ̀yẹ ṣáà ti pé Laide K Ìfẹ́ Olúwa show. Product tẹ́ máa lò. Mo kó àwọn eléyìí sí báyìí ní kí n lè máa fi ṣe example. So anyone tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ lóríṣiríṣi àwọn iṣẹ́ ó wà available. So tó bá jẹ́ ti àlákàlà náà ni oúnjẹ ojú oorun, ẹ pè mí àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ available. Tó bá jẹ́ oil náà lẹ fẹ́, lọ́fíńdà ni ẹ pè Laide K Ìfẹ́ Olúwa show. So àníbi jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ lórí ètò. Tó bá wá tún wá jẹ́ aṣọ, Laide K náà ló tún tà yẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ jewelries, ṣé kí n tún display àwọn yẹn náà video ìtìngù tó bá jẹ́ jewelries náà ni ó wà tó bá jẹ́ àwọn purse tó fà ọdún ti dé ẹ̀yin mọ́mì mẹ́wàá rajà mo dẹ̀ fàsìkò mo fi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo èyí tẹ́ tí ń rajà ọdún ní agbára Ọlọ́run ọdún ayọ̀ la máa ṣe ẹ̀mí wá ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé ní rí ń gbé sọnù bí kò ṣe bí ọmọ wá ní báwọn wọ àkísà kẹ́yìn aṣọ máa dán ni lójoojúmọ́ ẹ wáyọ́ kò pọ́n rí ó máa ń dán ni ní agbára Ọlọ́run a máa yọ bí ọjọ́ a máa dán láwọ̀ ni ní báwọn wọ àkísà so gba ìtẹ́ bá nídìí aṣọ òkè wà damask wà ready to wear lace wà àdìrẹ wà skirt and blouse wà gown wà ṣòkòtò àtẹ̀wù wà lóríṣiríṣi gbogbo ẹ̀ la ní bíbà yìí sales ọdún dẹ̀ lọ lọ́wọ́ sales ọdún Easter ẹ mọ̀ pé Christian ni mí so sales ọdún Easter ó ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí so èyí tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ ẹ pè mí àjọṣe video call so ẹ rà àwọn nǹkan tí ẹ bá fẹ́ fi owó yín rà tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ confam bákan náà ẹ̀yin dádì mi aṣọ wà fún ẹ̀yin náà jewelries wà fún yín handchain ọkùnrin wà ring ọkùnrin wà èyí tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ 551 tó ná góòdì pa tẹ́ bá lò báyìí góòdì ló máa pè wọ́n kò sí àní-àní níbẹ̀ ẹ pé Lédìkẹ́ ìfẹ́ olúwa ṣò a kì í gbókèrè mọ dídùn ọbẹ̀ àfi tá a bá jẹ níbẹ̀ so bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn àwọn agbádá senator wears fáwọn ọkùnrin ó wà available ẹ ṣeun gan ẹ subscribe sí YouTube channel mi kẹ́dẹ̀ tán notification bell yín ire o.